Alright, so what I'm doing is I'm gathering these fine twigs. These limbs are inside here are dead and dry, so they make good ways to start fire. I'll try to get a range of sizes, but I need some of the small ones because those are the easiest ones to get started. We'll see a little bit there and get going. Okay, what I've done now is I'm taking a couple of the heavier sticks and making sort of a teepee to suspend that heavier wood up off the bottom, so I get my fire starter underneath. Sort of bend these in, break them off, make a little rack to hold them. I want to put some of the finer sticks like this toward the top, just because it's easier to ignite. There are a lot of different ways to do this, but better to spend a little more time on the preparation than take the time to do it twice. Now, if I've never used these before, we're going to try this wet fire. You can buy these things just about anywhere. Basically, it's a little briquette. See? This is a little fire starter. Push here. Okay, so I'm going to try this. I think what I'll do is shave this up a little bit. Make it a little bit easier here. Alright, see what happens here. Hard to get started. There we go. Finally. Move that up inside there. A little more difficult to get started than I thought it would be. So, again, that's using this little guy here. So there you have it. A little warming fire. Okay, so we have the fire going fairly well now, but this is another fire starting method. take some dryer lint, you know, just right out of the dryer at home. Keep it in a bag, you keep it nice and dry. This is really dry cotton. Take your fire starter, press right alongside there, put them right in contact, because it won't ignite that quickly. Look how easily that ignites. And again, it's perfectly dry, so always a good thing to carry with you. Even if you don't have dryer lint, sometimes you can even just get the lint out of your pockets. You know, fray some fabric out of a dry part of your clothing if you have to.